And what we found is from end to end in the US, I don't know what it looks like in India. In the US, it's about 2 months. And there's about a dozen different steps. You have to order a title, you examine it, you generate a commitment, you cure defects, you clear to close, you generate the closing docs, and on and on. And we said, listen, how can we shorten this process? What pieces can we automate using AI and ML to avoid having people do all this manual drudgery? And the answer is a lot. And so step by step, we said, okay, ordering title, well, guess what? That's 3 to 5 days, but we think we can make that 1 to 2 hours. Examining the title, we're gonna take that from a week to a couple hours. Commitment can be done almost instantaneously. Curing defects still takes a couple days, but it's shorter. Clearing it to close, we can do that in a day. The docs that generate the closing documents, hours. Scheduling the notary, we can do that in real time. Closing can be done in just an hour. Dispersing funds, that's done in real time. And then recording it with the county, that's a day. And so what we did is we took this process, and this was a multi-year journey. We took 2 months to close on a house. We made it 2 weeks.